ocean as my guide. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo! West Coast weather, the sun sets slow.
Say what?
Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bumping beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. Some so smooth, leave them shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo, West Coast, where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beachfronts to backyard, parties in sight. Under neon skies that light up the night.
Yo, hit the boulevard, hit a tire screech. Soundtrack of the streets, with that funkin' reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like a 79, we're built to outlast.
Hey yo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop. Souls keep singing, let the bass lop. Beat the cues to moonlit tides, we shine bright on this retro ride that defines our life. Ooh yeah. Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plan. Chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones in city streams we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Someone's cooking love in the air, I swear. Every spark in their voices shows they care. Colors splash like secrets on these walls, while laughter echoes through the halls. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Rolling down the boulevard, sun hitting my shades. Riding low and slow, this vibe never fades.
What's up?
Palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight glow. West Coast rhythm, let the good times flow. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk about singing, setting spirits at ease. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. Double Dutch beats bumping, trunk ride smooth. Neighbors nodding heads, they catching the groove.
That's right.
Chrome rims spinning, reflections of dreams. On these West Coast streets, nothing's what it seems. Hey, hey, let me see your hands up high. Hands up. We vibing now till the moon hits the sky. Ooh, yeah. Talk box wailing like a voice from the stars. This coast culture lives in our hearts, no scars. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk about singing, setting spirits at ease. From hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. Plotting life stories on a corner stoop. See
What's good?
laughter echoes loud through the laid-back beat. Golden hour grin, city lights start to shine. West Coast flavor, every moment divine. You Plotting life stories on a corner stoop. See
What's good?
laughter echoes loud through the laid-back beat. Golden hour grin, city lights start to shine. West Coast flavor, every moment divine. You Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze.
Oh, yeah.
Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease.
Come on.
From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing.